Yeah, we're just trying to get it done. Gotta cut this piece next, I think. It's it's my first ever structure, so it's a little bit rough around the edges. I'm not gonna lie to you. And we got the outer and inner bit was made with pallets and other pieces of wood. See some of the blue pallets over there? And the inside has we've got no floor. Yeah, no floor. So I mean, I know that I'm not an idiot, you know, but that's probably not great, and then we will need to anchor this thing down, I think, because I mean that means, you know, you'd anchor down the building anyway, though, you know, because the winds around here are crazy.